Title: The legendary Kawasaki Jet 900, Power, Speed, and Innovation on Water. Introduction: Bike Empire Presents. Welcome to Bike Empire, your home for everything fast, powerful, and iconic. Today, we dive into one of Kawasaki's most legendary watercrafts, the Kawasaki Jet 900. Known for its thrilling performance and rock-solid reliability, this jet ski redefined what riders could expect from personal watercraft in its era. Origins of the Kawasaki Jet 900. The Kawasaki Jet 900 emerged as a standout in the 1990s, following the company's reputation for building tough, performance-driven machines. As part of the jet ski line, it was designed for riders who wanted more than just a weekend toy. They wanted a serious watercraft that delivered real speed and precision. Engine and performance. At its heart lies a two-stroke, 891 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine that produced impressive power for its time. The Jet 900 was quick to plane, responsive in tight turns, and capable of hitting speeds that thrilled both casual riders and racers alike. Kawasaki's focus on torque and acceleration made it a true powerhouse on open water. Design and handling. The hull design of the Jet 900 combined stability and agility. Its lightweight fiberglass body and balanced weight distribution gave riders full control even in choppy conditions. Whether cruising across a lake or carving sharp turns, the Jet 900 offered a smooth yet adrenaline-packed ride. Legacy and impact. The Kawasaki Jet 900 helped shape the evolution of personal watercraft. It paved the way for newer, more advanced models, but its influence remains strong among jet ski enthusiasts and collectors. Even today, the Jet 900 is celebrated as a timeless example of Kawasaki engineering and watercraft design. Conclusion: Power that lasts. The Kawasaki Jet 900 stands as a symbol of innovation and performance, a machine built for those who crave excitement and reliability in equal measure. At Bike Empire, we celebrate legends like this because they remind us why we ride: for the freedom, the speed, and the thrill of the journey.